Hello friends, welcome to Crunchy Cups YouTube channel. I'm Amina. Today I'm going to unpack this Hot Wheels color shifter car and show you how this color shifter car is going to change its color. For that we need hot water and cold water. First I will unpack it. See, this is the car. First, I want to keep it inside the cold water so it will change its color into orange. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. It didn't take 1 second also. So now we will keep it inside hot water so it will change its color into white. For example, did you saw that? Fully white now. I will show you it again. Orange, white. This is how the Hot Wheels color shifter changes its color. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, goodbye.